Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show a demo on important SQL interview question on null values. So how many ways to replace null values in a table in SQL Server. So interviewer might ask this question cleverly to know about the knowledge of the candidates on replacement of the null values. Yes, there are three ways to replace the null values. First is null is the function, and second one is coalesce, and third one with the case statement. Case statement. By using three ways, we can replace the null values of a particular of a column in a table. So I will show one after another. First, I will show my table. This is my EMP table. It contains ID, name, and department. So some of the employees have not assigned any department, even though they are entered into the. They have given the ID, but department is not assigned to employees. So in this case, how to we implement the um, three different functions to replace the null values. First, I am showing the ISNULL function. Select ID, name from EMP. First, I am taking the table. Here, I am applying ISNULL. 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 What it is asking, we need to find out the null values have appeared in the department name column. So for that, I'm taking the department name as expression. Department, comma. So I'm writing the one comment. That means if the department name has appeared as a null, it is replaced with a not assigned. This is the condition. I am making the alias name as the department name. So if you execute this one, right now we have null values in department value. So if you execute this query, we find instead of null, not assigned to a particular employee instead of null values. Department name is not assigned to the employee. This is the first way to handle the null values. And second one is coalesce. Coalesce is one of the strong replacement null values function when compared to ISNULL. So coalesce ISNULL will take two parameters, whereas coalesce will take three parameters. It will pick the first not null value from the given column name. So I am using coalesce function, department name, and not assigned as usual. If we have it will also take, but here I am using only two parameters. So if you take the separate the coalesce function, coalesce. So I am using null, comma, null, comma, one name, Gautam. If you apply the coalesce function here, it will return first not null value. In the parameter, there are three parameters. First two parameters are null value, and third parameter will take the not null value. That will return by using the coalesce function. So here we are passing only two parameters as per our requirement. So first I'm taking the table again, real table. This is null values. After writing the coalesce function, I am executing this query. So here we see the replacement of the null values with particular string. What that particular value not assigned. This is the second way to replace the null values. And the third one is I am using the same query. Instead of COALESCE, all these things I am taking. I am writing the case statement here. Case when case when which column we need to write the case statement on department name. Department name is null. This is null different with the is, this is null. Is null is different. Is null. It is searching for null values. Is null. Then not assigned. Not assigned. Else department name. It is the column name. Column name and end. End as department name. This is the syntax. Case when department name is null, then not assigned, else department name end. This is the query. So once again I am executing the original query with null values. Now I am executing the case statement. Not assigned is not query. If you can use the any value as per your requirement and as per your need. I am assigning no department. No department. If you run this one, instead of not assigned, it will show no department. Under department column, it will show no department to these two employees. Earlier, these two employees have null values in their department row. Now I am changing with the no department or not assigned as per our requirement. So these are the three ways to replace the null values. So this is very important interview question. So at the time of the interview, hope this video helped you in answering the replacement of the null values question. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.